Imagine a computer so small, it easily fits right in the palm of your hand. Now, imagine that same tiny silver box is actually more powerful than a massive $3,000 professional workstation. For a very long time, this idea seemed completely impossible. But the tech world is about to be turned upside down. We are looking at a machine that will change everything you know about desktop computers. This is the story of the upcoming M5 Mac Mini. It is a computer that defies physics and breaks all the old rules. It is already being called the ultimate Mac studio killer. For over 10 years, the Mac Mini had a very specific reputation. It was always known as just the cheap option. People usually bought the Mac Mini when they simply could not afford a true Pro model. It was a basic simple box. You would find it sitting quietly in a small home office. Sometimes it was hidden away in a dark server closet. It was never the star of the show. It did basic tasks very well, but no one expected it to be a powerhouse. However, everything started to shift recently. In late 2024, the M4 redesign kicked off a brand new era for Apple desktops. It showed the world that small computers could actually do some heavy lifting. Now, as we sit here in 2026, Apple is ready to release something truly mind-blowing. The M5 Mac Mini is not just another small yearly update. This is a massive leap forward in technology. For the very first time, Apple is putting their incredible Fusion architecture into a desktop this tiny. The rumors coming straight from the supply chain are getting incredibly intense. Professional video editors and 3D artists are actually freezing their budgets. They are refusing to buy new gear right now. They are actively holding off on buying those very expensive Mac Studio models. Why? Because they know the M5 Mac Mini is about to completely destroy the old idea of what a budget computer is. It brings a level of power that should absolutely not fit inside a box this small. Most normal computers today struggle with a very basic problem. Their chips get way too hot. To fix this, they need huge loud fans. They also need a massive amount of electricity. Apple is doing the exact opposite here. They are shrinking the actual brain of the computer while making it significantly stronger. The brand new M5 chip is built on a highly refined 3nm process. This pushes the absolute limits of what physics even allows us to do. But the most shocking part of this new chip is the graphics power. New leaks are showing an unbelievable 45% jump in GPU performance. That is not just a small step forward. It is a giant leap for a single generation of silicon. If you edit heavy video files or work with complex 3D art, this changes your whole life. That extra graphical power means you simply do not wait for renders anymore. The computer works so fast that you finish your job before you even realize it. This puts the tiny Mac Mini in a direct fight with giant power-hungry desktop graphics cards. We are talking about performance that rivals high-end dedicated GPUs that usually require their own massive power supplies. However, with all this new power comes a very big change to the price tag. For a very long time, the Mac Mini was the most affordable way to ever own a Mac, but a price hike is almost certain to happen now. Apple is making a massive change to how they build these machines. They are physically moving their production lines. Apple is currently building a brand new state-of-the-art facility in Houston, Texas. They are officially moving away from the Made in China label for this product. This is a historic and huge move for the company. But making things in America naturally comes with a much higher cost. You might be asking yourself a very good question right now. Why would Apple put so much insane power into their absolute cheapest computer? To find a real answer, you have to look closely at their massive plan for artificial intelligence. We are entering a time where AI does not just happen on a distant invisible server. It happens right on your physical desk. Apple calls this Apple Intelligence. The neural engine inside the new M5 chip is rumored to be 4 times faster than the previous M4. This jump in speed is absolutely incredible. It is not just about making Siri a little bit smarter. It is about doing real-time video upgrades while you edit. Imagine your computer automatically upscaling your old grainy footage to 4K while you sleep. It is about running massive complex AI models locally on your own machine without ever needing an internet connection. Apple truly wants the M5 Mac Mini to become the brain of your entire home. They want you to have a literal supercomputer sitting right in your living room. Doing AI locally allows you to handle all of your private sensitive data safely and very quickly. No one else can see your data because it never leaves the box. But this brings up a very big concern. Many people are wondering about the heat. The previous M4 design was already incredibly small. It was only 5 inches by 5 inches. If this new M5 chip is so much more powerful, how in the world does it stay cool? The secret is hidden in a brilliant internal redesign. Apple is using something brand new called thermal pillars. They are also using advanced 2.5D packaging technology. This specific tech physically separates the CPU and the GPU into different individual tiles. Instead of having one really big hotspot in the middle, the heat is spread out evenly across the whole surface. This allows the tiny Mac Mini to run at intense pro-level speeds for hours at a time. It stays perfectly silent while it works hard. It does not sound like a jet engine taking off in your room. This means you can record high-quality audio or podcasts right next to the machine without any background hum. The silicon itself is really where the true magic happens. The base Model M5 chip features the 10-core CPU, but it has a crazy new feature called supercores. These specific cores are made perfectly for single-threaded tasks. Single-threaded speed is what makes a computer actually feel fast when you use it. When you click a very heavy app and it opens instantly, that is the supercore doing its job. It eliminates that tiny delay we have all become used to. But the M5 Pro version is where things get even crazier. It uses that new fusion architecture. This tech literally bonds two separate pieces of silicon together into one single system. The communication speed between these parts is faster than anything we have ever seen before. The memory bandwidth on this machine could go over 300 gigabytes per second. That is significantly faster than high-end custom gaming PCs that easily cost 3 times as much money. For gamers, this is the moment you have been waiting for. With the M5 chip, we are seeing hardware-accelerated ray tracing that finally competes with the best consoles on the market. You can play the latest AAA titles at high frame rates on a machine that fits in your backpack. Another massive game-changing upgrade is the storage. Reports say there is a brand new SSD controller hidden inside. This piece of tech could actually double the speed of the older M4 drive. We are looking at crazy read and write speeds up to 14 gigabytes per second. This means you could move a massive 8K video file in just a couple of short seconds. This speed actually makes your physical storage feel exactly like extra RAM. The computer simply never has to wait for data to load ever again. It completely changes how you multitask every day. Everything is just instantly there, the very moment you want it. We also really need to talk more about that massive move to Texas. This is without a doubt one of the biggest shifts in Apple's entire history. For decades, these machines were always built overseas. Moving to the United States helps Apple avoid messy international taxes and expensive tariffs. It gives them total control over their quality and their timeline, but the actual labor costs in the US are much higher. This is exactly why the price of the computer is finally going up. The golden days of the $500 Mac Mini are likely gone forever. The brand new base model will probably start around $699. To make this price bump a lot easier to accept, Apple is doing something great. They are fully doubling the base storage. You will very likely get 512 gigabytes of space on the absolute cheapest model. The M5 Pro's brilliant fusion architecture is a direct bridge to the future. By perfectly bonding two dies together, Apple has found a magical way to give you ultra levels of performance in a tiny and beautiful footprint. This is exactly why the expensive Mac Studio is in deep trouble right now. Unless you absolutely need a massive and crazy number of ports on the back, the M5 Mini does everything the big Studio can do for just a fraction of the price. It is simply the most efficient use of physical space and electrical power ever designed by Apple. This small machine represents a massive shift in how computers are designed and where they are built. It is a powerful symbol of a brand new era of high-tech American production. Apple is loudly signaling that they no longer view the Mini as a cheap secondary device. They clearly view it as the ultimate centerpiece of your entire digital life. It is the undisputed king of the desktop, and it is finally here to stay for good. If you are deeply looking for a real reason to be excited about tech in 2026, the M5 Mac Mini is absolutely it. It perfectly combines the very best of Apple's world-class engineering with a bold new commitment to domestic production. It is a massive win for the everyday user and a huge win for the entire tech industry. This little silver box is absolute proof that you really don't need a giant tower to change the world. If you liked the video, subscribe, share the video, and hit the bell icon.